possible. H is number 5, case study number 5. H came in October 12, 2010 for severe pain throughout her entire body. From head to toe, she had severe pain. She wanted to get rid of her pain before she wanted to start getting pregnant. For the first 6 months, she came in twice a week. We were able to get rid of 80 to 90% of her pain, if not more, on many weeks. By the time she was ready to start getting pregnant, she rarely complained of any pain that was really significant, except for her hips and her headaches, but that was so rarely. H saw me throughout her entire pregnancy, and now I see pictures of her baby girl on Facebook. H saw me 82 times from October 12, 2010 until April 10, 2012. She saw me once a week throughout her entire pregnancy, and she had 0 pregnancy complaints, except the mild fatigue that we all experience from time to time as a pregnant woman. She went into natural labor at 37 plus weeks. During that entire duration, H came in 82 months within 18 months. 82 times within 18 months. Her average was 4 treatments a month, and she did do herbs from time to time for specific health issues. That average of 4 treatments a month includes an average of 2 times a week for the first 6 to 9 months. That's when we were treating her severe pain, and then dropping down to once a week for the first 20 weeks of her pregnancy, and once every 2 weeks after her 20th pregnancy week. There's one more. T had come in 48 times from May 6, 2011 until May 2, 2012. As of right now, I did not record her June treatments in my Excel file. As of today, she is around 30 weeks pregnant. I did have her on herbs for specific health issues when necessary. She was not trying to get pregnant, but she had some severe health issues that were greatly affecting her attitude in life and her lifestyle. By week 17, she expressed to me tremendous improvement in her life. She had averaged 4 treatments per month. She and her husband had both returned to school before the pregnancy, so they were surprised to find out that they were pregnant. Coincidentally, I also treated her husband for quite some time in the beginning of T's treatments. I informed her around week 17 that since her health mentally and physically were improving dramatically, that she should consider using a condom or just being more conscious when he ejaculated. And they did not believe me, and then they were pregnant. So anyways, those are some success stories. And for those of you who are doing acupuncture with any other acupuncturist and you're not seeing the results, it's not that the acupuncture isn't working. It's probably because you're not doing it enough. If you really want to get down to business with your acupuncturist, if they recommend herbs, try to have them explain why you need to take herbs. Usually in my practice, I email them the information, which is very explicit, and it's really written for a Western medical doctor and a Chinese medical practitioner. If they need to see you more than once a week or at least once a week, have them explain why. But if you're doing it less than once a week and you really want to get aggressive with your treatments, you're just going to have to give it a very, very long time. In my practice, in my paperwork, I make it very clear. If you want to come once a week, that's totally fine. You may see improvements for that will just last a few hours to a few days. Because at the peak of the treatment really hits within 2 to 4 days. And so if you give it once a week, be prepared to give it 20 to 50 weeks. Again, I like to under-promise and over-deliver. My experience has been if you go once a week, you may see some pretty decent results within 7 to 17 treatments. If you go twice a week or more, you're just gonna see more intense improvement. It's just like if you're trying to get a six-pack and you work out once a week, you're not going to get very far. But if you go 2 to 5 times a week, obviously you're more aggressive in your workouts. Same thing, I've been receiving chiropractic as long as I've been receiving acupuncture. When I do need to see some serious results, I have seen chiropractors more than once a week. Or if you're seeing therapy, or if you're practicing if you want to learn a language, that's probably one of the best analogies. If you practice French once a week, you're probably not going to be very fluent very quickly. But if you're speaking with a native speaker, 3 times a week, 1 hour, 3 times a week, you're going to go very far and you're going to be more fluent. You're just going to be able to converse much faster in French than if you were practicing once a week. So if you kind of see it in relationship to those analogies, hopefully you'll understand more clearly why acupuncture is working for you if you're going more frequently, or if it's not working for you if you're just kind of dragging your feet. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or call me anytime. My clinic number is 949-305-1703, and my mobile number is on my website for many of my patients who want to have access to me during after hours. And I hope you have a great day, and I hope this information was very valuable to you. Take care. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.